Hi, to enter and quit Fastboot Mode on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, as a first step, we would need to power off the phone. For that, just take a look at its right side, and here you'll find the power button and volume up and down buttons. So, to power off the phone, we will need to hold the combination of power and volume up buttons till we see this power off menu appears on the screen. Let's try this out. I'm gonna unlock the phone first and now hold the combination of power and volume up buttons. And this is the power off menu. So here we need to simply swipe up to power off the phone, and when it will be completely turned off, you'll need to hold a combination of power and volume down buttons now. So just hold the buttons till you see the fast boot appears on the screen. And now, while we are waiting, let's talk about what does this mode help us with. So this mode helps to renew the flash files on your Android devices directly, and also this is an alternative to the recovery mode that helps you with the installations and updates and helps to modify or write data directly to your phone's flash memory. So this is what this mode does, and here is how it looks. So we just entered the Fastboot mode, and to exit this mode you'll need to simply hold the power button till the screen will be completely turned off, and after that it will restart just by itself and it will turn on and you'll be able to use it like you would normally do. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.